In this video, I will show you how to get started with our mobile and desktop applications. Let's start the setup process on your mobile device. First, we need to download and install the Communicator app. You can find download links on our website at CloudXentral.com. Just click on Downloads in the main menu and choose iOS or Android based on your phone's operating system. Download and install the app. Once you open it, your phone might ask you if you allow notifications for this app, so just click Allow. Now you're ready to log in. On the email we sent with your account details, you will see your user email address and the account password. You will also find a QR code at the bottom. Open the application you've installed and click on Scan QR to scan the QR code on your email and press Login. You can also type out your email and password. Just be sure to type pbx.cloudcentral.com on the last field and press Login. There you are, you should be logged in. Now let's set you up on your desktop or laptop devices. On our website, under Downloads, you will find links for the Communicator apps. Click on the Windows or macOS links depending on your operating system. This will start downloading for you to install the software. Once installed, you may open the software to begin login. Now before you attempt to log in, please click on the gear icon and click on Login Options. Click on the Advanced tab and make sure that under Login Server, you type in pbx.cloudcentral.com. Now you may log in using your credentials you were given in the account details email. And there you are, you should be logged in. If for some reason you're having issues getting started, you may contact our customer support team to help you troubleshoot the issue. Head over to our website for more tutorials that will teach you about all the things you can do with our tools. And thanks for watching.